Families, feathers, and fun combined with bird lovers from the greater Cincinnati, Southwest Ohio, and Kentucky areas to celebrate the second annual Fernald Preserve Winter Bird Fest. Despite cold temps and some imposing weather, more than 1,500 attendees visited the Fernald Preserve Site to participate and enjoy in a menu of activities geared for bird lovers of all ages. Throughout the week, attendees benefited from the expertise of individuals like Fernald Preserve ecologist Brian Wolker, who presented a workshop on the Merlin Sound ID tool for birding by ear. On Family Day, February 8th, Chris Rowlands performed songs and puppetry for the kids, blending entertainment with environmental education.
I'm echolocating, navigating, insect eating, hibernating.
Followed by a workshop featuring his special brand of art instruction. Other events throughout the week included an owl walk led by Fernald Preserve staff and a presentation featuring tips and experiences from Connor Fox, a birder who achieved the monumental goal of finding over 600 species in the lower 48 U.S. states in a single year. A popular owl pellet dissection activity allowed participants to explore owl diets using microscopes and tweezers. And the week wrapped up on Valentine's Day with a virtual presentation by author Laura Erickson on the love lives of birds, discussing avian courting and mating habits. The Fernald Preserve is a critical habitat for 260 species of birds who stop over or winter at the site, with more than 100 species nesting here. Special feathered guests include waterfowl, shorebirds, and an impressive array of raptors, including owls, hawks, falcons, and eagles. The Fernald Preserve hosts Winter Bird Fest and similar events as part of the site's commitment to engage and educate the community. The Winter Bird Fest event is a powerful testament to the site's remarkable transformation from a former uranium processing facility into a vibrant example of beneficial reuse. During cleanup efforts more than 2 decades ago, community members envisioned a future for Fernald that would effectively control residual contamination while creating an ecologically restored regional destination for educating future generations. BirdFest helps fulfill that vision. Winter Bird Fest is provided with the collaboration and support of event partners, including the Audubon Society of Ohio, Cardinal Land Conservancy, Cincinnati Public Libraries, Bird Nerds and Children's Library, Metro Parks of Butler County, Midwest Native Plant Society, the Northern Kentucky Bird Club, the Ohio EPA, and Oxbow Incorporated Land Trust.